Ooh, Uncle got in on a bad. Yep. Cheese and rice. That's a big dent. That's a really big dent. I'm gonna take a few shots of this.
Let me know. All right.
He really ran into that tree. If you guys are wondering what happened, my uncle got into a car crash. He's not hurt or anything. He's right there. Dad said he went straight down middle. Bent it all up. Take a few shots of this. Right now I'm taking a few photos. Oh my God. Well, luckily my uncle wasn't hurt. Well, it's a good thing my uncle wasn't hurt. Let's see. Yep, pretty much. I'm recording this right now. Are they just gonna leave it here? Jesus. Are they just gonna leave it? Well, at least I can get as many shots as I want with this thing. So yeah, they just bought the car here, and it's pretty darned up. My dad said he knocked over a few trees at the... No, my dad said Uncle knocked over a few trees. If I ever get to the site, like where the crash is, I think maybe I could get a few shots of it. Dad says it was right by the lake. I wonder if he could take me there. 'Cause if my dad did, that would be amazing. Oh, hi, Jeremy. Oh yeah, this is my dog, Jer. And oh, while I'm still recording, hang on. Okay, it's way too dark. But oh God. There, helps a little bit. Okay, ready, guys? Here, puppies. Come on. Look at these fellas. Oh my goodness, it's adorable. There's 5 of them in total. And they only need like a couple more weeks with their mom. That's the mom right there. This is one of her sons, Jeremy. Oh, they're so cute. Look at them. They're kind of loud. Oh God, no lickies. No licks. So yeah, and if you haven't noticed, this one is the only one that's actually different from the others, like totally different. We'll sell them. So if you guys are like in around my area, we could probably we're actually selling these out in a couple weeks. But this one's already taken. That one right there, that one's taken. Hi. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a puppy, if you guys want a puppy, come and get some. But just to let you guys know, they grow up to be as big as this big fella here. As big as her. Look at how big she is. Look at, I'll place my hand on her. Oh, she licked me. So yeah, we have small miracles right here. They're all crossbreeds. It's a shepherd, a blue heeler, and I can't remember what the other one. They're so cute. Who wouldn't want one of these fellas? Who wouldn't want one? Aww. Who wouldn't want one? So if you guys are looking for puppies, come stop by here. It's this house right here on a dirt road. Not really far. So if you guys are looking for puppies, come drop by and we're selling these out for free, just to let you guys know. Okay, later guys, bye.